Together with you, we want to bring public datasets into the daily work of the public sector for the first time. So we want the public sector to have access to open data, and you can get access to a collaborative creator workspace, where you can use those open data in Intric Assistance to power your offering, and use the latest MCP integrations to access open data platforms. So you can address the everyday challenges of the public sector, like making official data analysis of open data platforms, and create value by using the combination of the most powerful EU models and official and dynamic data sources of the EU, like Eurostats or Die Statis Genesis Online in Germany, for example. And through this, you can use the latest technology in your offering. You can get access to a collaborative workspace and deploy your own assistants and stay ahead of the curve by using MCP capabilities in your offering. And you can create assistants like this one, for example, which is accessing the data of the Die Statis Genesis online platform, where you can actually derive meaningful insights, like, for example, analyzing high school graduates of the states in Germany and comparing them to the workforce in the public sector. And here you can see that from the big data platforms, where there's all the information in big data sets and tables, you can actually use the model to provide you insights and cluster them into states, into the degrees that the high school graduates get, and you can actually get the data points and make visualizations of this data to make it actually workable with and accessible and understandable. And we want to go one step deeper. And here, for example, you can derive an analysis of the high school dropout rates clustered over the states in Germany. And as you can see, those are not just numbers, those are actually interactable tables that you can customize and that you can work with. So here we get the percentage of each state of high school dropouts, as well as the absolute terms of how many that are. And you can get implications on where there's critical action potential and the most meaningful insights on that. So, and this goes on, and you can do as many as you want, and use those open data platforms to actually derive insights for the public sector. Like here, for example, you can do graphs, which is comparing the expenditure in infrastructure in comparison to road incidents. And this is actually for the first time data that you can work with, and that is meaningful, that drives results, and that makes it easy to understand this data. And you can use this if you get early access to the Intric platform and become a collaborator, so you can build your own assistants on the platform and use the existing assistants. So sign up now to get early access and use this.